Hi, let's try this German pasta baked. Give me a like if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe into my channel for more recipes. Let's start it. Half a cup raw cashews. Process them in any blender. One cup of soy milk or any plant-based milk. 2 teaspoons of corn flour. 2 teaspoons of vegetable stock paste. You can find it in my channel on how to make it. 1 teaspoon of savoury yeast flake. 1 onion. 250 grams of silken tofu. The use of 1 lemon. And ready to blend until smooth. Now you can get your favorite pasta, gluten-free. I've got the normal and the black rice. Now you can arrange your pasta in a baking dish. Pour the sauce into the pasta. Cover with aluminium foil paper and take it to the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes to medium heat. Once ready, take carefully out of the oven and add some breadcrumbs and oregano on top of your pasta.